Gun seized, wanted man held within hours of special zone of operation in St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Operational activities conducted in St. Catherine South led to the capture of a wanted man and the recovery of an illegal firearm within the first hour of the declaration of a state of public emergency for the parish of St. Catherine. Lawmen assigned to St. Catherine Police South Division conducted a targeted operation in Gegre Park area and apprehended a man who is said to be wanted for murder and shooting. The police said that 1.38 revolver loaded with 6.38 cartridges were also seized. The man will be interviewed by detectives in relation to other crimes committed in the parish. His identity has been withheld pending further investigation. The operation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.